Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a review of this mattress. It's a foldable mattress that I got from Flipkart and it is from the brand Sleep Spa. Now I got it in this packaging. Outer packaging was this white color. Now this is how the mattress, it is foldable. It is 3-fold mattress and it is 4 inch. It is a foam mattress. Now the cost of this is 4,273, which was mentioned on the Flipkart page, but here on the mattress it is somewhere above 5,000 and I got it for 2,777 rupees. So it comes in this plastic packaging outside. Apart from that white packaging, it is wrapped up in plastic right now. And you get different variants as well, and I think there is red color also in it. This is a blue color. As I mentioned, thickness of this is 4 inch and dimension is 75 by 30 for the one which I got, and there are 9 variants that are available. This is a single one. It is foldable plus it is reversible, means you can use it on both the sides. It is orthopedic, means the ones that are designed to support your joints, back and overall body. Then again it is sag resistant, means it doesn't last that impression when you sit on it and all. And the thickness of this is 101 mm, width is 762 and length is 1905. The total weight of this was 3.5 kgs and it also have 3 years warranty. So over here they have mentioned everything, the details about them. Because that plastic is there, it just shine, that shine you can see. It's quite long, it's a very nice one. So here they have mentioned their brand tag, Sleep Spa. This, the tag is there on the mattress itself, which you can't remove. So now this is after removing the plastic packaging that was there. So the color looks different now. It's kind of navy blue. Now here they have mentioned the price and everything. As I have said, it is above 5,000. It is 5,802 and I got it for 2,777. The quality of this cloth is nice. Only that the thread had come out. So I'll need to cover this up with some outer covering for it to long lasting kind of. Otherwise the mattress is really nice. These are the foldable, the fold, which wherever you can fold it. The quality is quite good in the price range and even it is soft. It's also available on Amazon. I think I will leave the link in the description box. This is the another side of it, as it is reversible. You all can use it in both the sides. Like you can even put it with this side up and that down. The design is same kind of, just that stitching is not there. Now you can use it as a bed, then you can use it like a sofa as well, like this. You can keep it, means one fold open, so you can sit over here. It's very nice to use like that also. Again you can use it like this kind, like you can open all the three, that the back part you can keep for your back support, and you can sit. And the third thing, you can use it for sleeping, like whole thing on the floor. This is the fold that is there. I'll be leaving down the link of this in the description box. You all can check it out. It's really nice.